Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I have to tell you about these awesome Simple Mills almond flour muffins. They are the banana muffin bread or muffin mix. I love this. I love that it's gluten-free. I love that it's a company that I can trust. This is a really nice company that takes value in their products. So it's very easy to bake these. I make them with my son all the time. It just takes 3 eggs, half a cup of water, and a third cup of oil. Mix it all together and you get a beautiful muffin. This here is what the muffin ends up looking like. It's super tasty. Honestly, you cannot tell that they are gluten-free, that they're made with almond flour. I think they are super scrumptious and gets my toddler's approval and my husband's approval as well. So what more could you ask for? But that's just my point of view.